Hello, I'm David Hoffman. I'm with MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. We're aboard our beautiful Boston Whaler 280 Outrage. As you can see right away, we're powered by twin 300 Mercury Verados. As we move forward, we have a bench seat here that stows away easily. We have an area here where all the systems are easily accessible. As we move forward, we got the sink and a live well here. As we move forward to the helm area, we have twin Raymarine screens here with the Mercury vessel view. We have the active trim system, and we also have joystick control with the beautiful, awesome skyhook feature. Storage up above, storage here. As we move forward again, we have seating on the starboard and port side right here. And in the console itself, we have the head area. And as we move forward on the boat, we have a great lounger area here with the armrest, seating, and the area where for the table to mount to. This is also equipped with the windlass here. And it also has the bow shade here where the poles go in and they connect right to the roof right here. Again, this is the Boston Whaler 280 Outrage, and I'm David Hoffman.